Hey, this is Angela Moorad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. So here is a tip. In any of the PRC Saltillo apps, of course you can go over here to this file area, but if you get quite a bit over here, it can get a bit arduous to find what you're looking for, and you can miss opportunities for engagement during an AAC session or AAC eval. So what I've done is I've created here in the new iOS Unity AAC app a home page or a dashboard, so to speak. And here's what it looks like. And so using the Go to Vocabulary button action, I have linked all of these where I can easily from this screen toggle back and forth between them. So here's one hit 28, and then under colors I've put a button to get back to that dashboard just because that was a consistent spot in all of them. So it's 36, here's 60, and here's 84, one hit. And if you wanted to link the one hit and the sequence, you could do that. You can link whatever vocab files you want to. Here's what it looks like in 28 sequenced. And in that, I've also made it where I can go over to my high contrast version. Go back and forth between those. And then go back to the dashboard. 36 sequenced. 60 sequenced, 84 sequenced, and then I have done the home page I made be high contrast, and so under it I have that link to go to the regular version or back to my dashboard. Let me go over and show you what this looks like over in TouchChat with WordPower. Same thing. I linked each of these buttons using the Go to Vocabulary button action to these. So it's quite easy to toggle back and forth between things. And then like on WordPower 60 Basic, I even have where it can toggle back and forth between English and Spanish. So I usually put that right there. So English and Spanish. And then back to my dashboard. So just a quick tip for if you do lots of evals and need to have lots of different sizes kind of at your fingertips, this can be quite a helpful setup.